Hi, my name is Ching from LongAI. We're building conversational analytics backed by large language models for enterprise. A lot of companies, they want to use the power of ChatGPT and other large language models in their daily work, and they want their employees to use it because they know that they're gaining productivity gains from it. But they are worried about the security of the data going to third parties. They don't want their proprietary data, their sensitive data, going to third parties like OpenAI or other large language model providers. So we bring the large language model in-house to the company, and then we've also built a analytics layer on top of that where the employee can use the large language model to then do analytics work. So they can upload CSV's data or connect to their own proprietary database within the company and use a large language model to then run analytics on that data using natural language, as opposed to building dashboards with Tableau or Power BI or running SQL query or writing their own custom Python code to run the analytics. So all they have to do is just chat with a chatbot, and the chatbot will automatically write the Python or SQL code and then automatically execute it. Exactly like what GPT-4's code interpreter does now, but we bring it in-house for companies. There's additional benefits to doing this. Beyond the security, you also get to connect with their databases directly, so you don't have to upload data one at a time. Also, you can customize the bots to be better at analytics. So maybe they can correct themselves if they run into errors with coding. They can provide better insights. They maybe have better knowledge because we can also embed documents into those bots. And we're also doing this here in China where ChatGPT is already banned anyways. So we're the only option for these companies to use. Thank you.